Hi, my name's Josh, owner at Bespoke Security and Screens. I have been an authorised Prowler Proof dealer since 2012. So for this property I chose to install ForceField. I feel confident recommending this product to my customers as it has met and exceeded Australian standards tests for security products. The property sits right on a racecourse, so we also use ForceField for its viewing angle. It has a 42.5% open area and 156-degree viewing angle, the best of all of the security products in the Prowler Proof range. Being a two-storey home, we also used Guardian upstairs. Chris has a young child, so an anti-fall product was required and used on some of the windows. It also matches seamlessly with the ForceField products and has a large viewing angle as well. As this is a renovated Queenslander, it has opened out older style windows. On these particular windows, we decided to use the Prowler Proof hinge window screens. We used a large range of products for this project, including ForceField fixed window screens, ForceField sliding stacking doors, ForceField hinge doors, and ForceField hinge window screens, along with the Guardian fall prevention screens. ForceField has passed the 6 tests set out in the Australian standards for security screens. Guardian was used for its fall prevention benefits on the second story and because of its great viewing angle. The hinge window product was used for accessibility and cleaning with the older style windows. Chris travels for work at times, so security was important. He needs to be able to lock up the home and have peace of mind knowing that it's safe. I feel confident recommending Prowler Proof products as they have extra features and benefits that other brands don't provide, including hidden installation technology, which removes access to the fixing points, making them more tamper resistant. Also, their Performance Plus extended strikes. Locking points are always most vulnerable to attack, so these extended strikes increase the resistance to jemmy attacks. They come standard with all Prowler Proof sliding security doors featuring Lockwood triple point locks. Some of the installation challenges we met on this job were being the old character style house. Years and years of house movement means some of the doors aren't plumb and square anymore. To overcome this, I've used Prowler Proof's build out and jam adapter extrusions. This allows us to use the modern day security products while retaining the character style of the home.